Lecture number 3, Software Operation Systems. Plan. Software types of the software, purpose and characteristic, basic concept of OS, evolution of operating system, classification of operation systems, including for mobile devices, classification of the type applications. Hardware and software. Hardware consists of the parts of the computer you can touch, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, drivers, motherboard, CPU, and so on. Software. A simple set of instructions. It tells the hardware what to do and when to do it. Software using hardware. While the software are stored on chips or disk, it is distinct from them. Analogy. In the same way that a musical score is distinct from the papers it's printed on or the CD recording of it. Hardware is a part of the computer you can kick if you can only curse at it is software. Interface. An interface is a boundary or region of contact between two entities and typical where any interaction or exchange takes place. The interface between the user and hardware is multi-layered. There are interfaces within interfaces. The various levels. The level closest to the user consists of application packages like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint that help the user perform particular tasks in level languages like C, Basic, Pascal, and Fortran. The layer closest to the software is called the BIOS, basic input-output systems. In between lies the operating system. BIOS. The BIOS is a set of instructions stored on a read-only memory ROM chip. It is sometimes called firmware, since it acquires the middle ground between software and hardware. You may see the term BIOS on the screen soon after you turn on the power. BIOS. It checks on the other parts, memory, keyboard, mouse, and so on. It looks for the boot program, what will load the operating system. It always looks to the floppy disk drive first, which is why you should have a copy in the drive when you booting the system. While it is most noticeable during the boot process, BIOS is used constantly. The separation of BIOS from operating system allows for changes in hardware without a major rewriting of operating system software. Device drivers. If one has a piece of hardware, the interface interaction connecting in and the operating system might not be written into to the system's ROM chip. The software is needed. This software is called a device driver. Utilities and language translator. Desktop enhancer Oranges detector, Internet Manager U website, language translator, takes a programmer's high level thought and convert it to a binary so that computer components understand. Operation systems types of interface. Command line interface, they use the types keyboards after a prompt. Menu driver interface, the user select items from a menu, typical using the arrow and enter keys. Graphical user interface, the user points to icons with the mouse. Multitask, multi-Z. Operating system might be distinguished in VZL, multitask, multi-threading, multi-user, and multi-processes. Some operating system, MS-DOS, Microsoft DOS operating system, Windows 3, Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows 2007, and Windows 2008. The lecture is over.